So you want to build your personal brand. Excited ka? Makikita mo yung mga fina-follow mo on social media documenting their life, making money out of their interests, traveling, passion, and making their own businesses. But no one tells you what the first year of content creation and building your personal brand looks like. I started content creation since 2023 and I built my following to over 200k followers across all social media platforms. And here in this video, I will tell you the realities of building your personal brand in your first year as a creator. First day, sobrang excited ka, motivated ka kasi nalaman mo na kung ano yung gusto mo. It's to make videos and make money out of those videos. Just doing your interest, passion, and all. Nanonood ka ng mga tutorial, paano gumawa ng content, scripting, filming, editing, and it took you some time. Then you try to make your first video. Na-realize mo na hindi ka pala ganun kagaling na magsalita sa harap ng camera. Medyo na-discourage ka, pero nalaman mo rin na pwede naman pala to na ma-improve. Kaya nanonood ka lang kung paano i-improve yung pagsasalita sa harap ng camera and then trinay mo lang ng trinay. First month of creating content. Nagpo-post ka naman and tinatry mo na pagandahin yung mga videos na ginagawa mo. Pero wala pa rin nanonood. Yung videos mo, 200 or 300 views lang. And meron kang video na nag 1k views. Good news. Ang kaso lang, hindi tungkol sa'yo yung post na yun. And nagkakaroon ka na ng mga doubts. Nagkakaroon ka na ng questions kung para sa'yo ba talaga yung content creation. But tumuloy ka pa rin. 3 months of creating content and tuloy-tuloy na yung mga gawa mo. Nakakapag 3 to 4 times a week ka na na-upload. Nagvo-voice over ka na ng mga video mo. And ginagawan mo na ng video yung buhay mo. Hindi pa rin ganun kataas yung views ng mga video mo pero wala ka ng pakialam. Naging habit mo na lang yung pagpo-post ng content. Kaya ka naging consistent. Pero nakikita mo na kailangan mo pa pala ng improvements sa mga videos mo. Kaya nag-aaral ka palagi ng ways on how you can be better. How to improve your content, storytelling, hooks, b-rolls, and editing. 6 months of creating content and tuloy-tuloy ka na. You had your first viral video. Meron ka ng videos na lumagpas ng 100k views and tungkol sa'yo na yung video na yun. May mga nagko-comment na sa mga videos mo and nagtatanong sila kung paano mo nagawa yun. Nagpapaturo na sila sa'yo. So naisip mo, what if itry ko nang i-monetize yung account ko? So nagtry ka, you tried affiliate marketing and pre-promote mo lang kung ano yung mga ginagamit mo currently na related pa rin sa niche mo na binil. 1 year of creating content, you are making 30k per month sa affiliate marketing. May mga nagme-message na sa'yo na brands and nasa 10k followers ka na. Gusto mo pang mag-scale kaya nag-aaral ka pa rin. Ito actually yung naging journey ko of creating content as my first year of being a creator and building my personal brand. Hindi talaga madali and it will really be a long game. And kailangan mo lang talaga na i-learn yung skill, i-implement siya sa buhay mo. It took me a year to learn most of this and actually make a good progress. But if you ask for guidance for people na alam na yung mga bagay na to, 3 months lang, kaya mo na to lahat. And we know people who only do this for a short amount of time and they are killing it already. So if you want guidance about content creation, building your personal brand, affiliate marketing, and attracting brand deals or UGC deals, just comment guide and I'll send you the full details.